Welcome to Schoology. This is an online platform that permits students to submit work for class. I'm going to sign in as a student and show how to submit work, view assignments, and view documents and grades for a particular class. When I log in, I just click in the P and I select my school, which is the Pennsylvania Cyber Charter School. I'm going to type in my username. And like I said, I'm going to log in as a student so that a student can understand how to take tests and assessments and homework assignments and submit those. Type in your password. This is going to be the home screen of Schoology, and you will see the teacher, a picture of the teacher, and also any kind of assignments that we have posted. I'm going to click on a class, and this is the next home page. This is where you will find your assignments, tests or quizzes, any kind of files or links that the teacher will post, any kind of discussions, and you can also find your grades here. So let me go into an assignment. This is an example of an assignment that a student might write a persuasive essay, and they will type it in Microsoft Word and then upload it to this homework site. If you just click on the assignment, it gives you directions. Please write your persuasive essay according to the instructions on page 628 in your literature book. Once the student writes the essay in Microsoft Word and they are ready to submit the final draft, you come over to the right and click on Upload Files beside Dropbox, because that's where they will drop their paper in, is the Dropbox. It's almost like a mailbox. If you click on Upload Files, Attach Files, you want to find your assignment or your paper that you are submitting. And I'm just going to submit a random paper. Double click on it, and then you'll see that the paper is located in the green box. Once you click on Post, then you'll see at the right that the file has been posted and has been dropped into the teacher's Dropbox. So that's how you would submit any kind of assignment that you might do in Microsoft Word or in Excel or even PowerPoint. If you go back, I will show you how to complete an online quiz or test, and I'll show you a couple different options. One option is a matching option. This was a vocabulary assignment. You would just click on the assignment and you'll see the instructions. Match the vocabulary word with the correct definition from part 1 of unit 4. If you need help, use a dictionary. This is due on Friday, March 11th. All you would do is click on Begin Test or Quiz, and then you'll see the matching. The nice thing about the matching is whenever you click or type a word or letter for the vocabulary word that matches the definition, it will draw a line. For example, if I type in the words or the letter C for utter, you'll see that it draws a line from the word to the definition. I'll do another one, number 12, loathed. I'm going to type in the letter, and again it draws the line from the word to the definition. If you click on Review Answers, this will give you an option that you can see your answers, but you can also click on that option if you're not ready to finish the quiz or the assignment. So if you want to start it and stop and come back to it later, you can do that. But you have to click on Review Answers before you can do that. If you just exit out of Schoology before clicking on Review Answers, then all of your answers will be lost and you'll have to complete it again. Once you're finished with the quiz, you just click on Submit, and then you will see your answers. You'll see the ones that you got correct. Obviously, I didn't answer all of the questions, so that's highlighted in pink. Another option is a multiple choice option. This was a Fables assignment. and the students had to read several fables and then answer some questions. And again, you just click on Begin Test or Quiz. And this is an example of a multiple choice. You would read the question, and then you would complete or select your answer just by clicking on the bubble. I'm just going to randomly answer some of these. And then again, if you want to click on Review Answers, especially if you want to stop the quiz and then come back to it later, that's what you need to do. Or if you want to see what you chose, the answers that you chose, so that you can go back and look through the questions and your answers, you can do that. And then you would just click on Submit. There's a confirmation submission. It says, are you sure you want to submit this assignment? If you're sure, you click on Yes. And then it'll give you the answers that you got correct, and it will also give you the answers that you got wrong. If you got it wrong, then you'll see that they are highlighted in pink. Another feature of Schoology is files or links that your teacher might post. For example, a list of prepositions is in here. There's a recording of a play The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street, and you can just click on any of these, click on Open, and once you click on Open, then the file will download and open up for you. The No Gumption was a recording, so you might have heard that when I opened it. And but you can also post documents, Microsoft Word documents, PowerPoints, for example, lessons that we might have done in class, a review that we did in class. I can post a PowerPoint in there, and the students can look for the review. Another feature is your grades. This is going to be your grade book. If you click on Grades, then you will see an itemized list of all of your assignments and the points that you received. For example, if I look in quarter 4, I just took that vocabulary assignment or the quiz, and I only got 1 out of 14 correct because I didn't really complete the other ones. I was just showing how to submit that. If you see a star beside the assignment, that means that the assignment has not been submitted, or the assignment has not been graded yet by that teacher. So you may have submitted it, but the assignment still needs to be graded. If you see a 0 beside that assignment, then that teacher either gave you a 0 for not submitting the assignment on time, or you just got a 0 on that particular assignment. You can also post, your teacher might also post discussions in which a student can comment on. So if a teacher posts a discussion about a particular story or poem that they read in class, then the students can go ahead and post their comments, and it's very much very similar to a discussion board. So these are just the basic ways that a student can submit work and navigate through Schoology. It's very user-friendly. A lot of the features will have a hover, so if you just hover over it, it will tell you what to do. And it's very self-explanatory, very easy to use. So hopefully you've enjoyed learning how to use Schoology and can submit an assignment if need be.